This is Paolo. Just like you, each day he must manage and ensure the security of the employees in his company. For this reason, he wonders, how can I check that the PPEs are correctly assigned to the employees? How can I certify that each employee has obtained all the PPEs required for their job? In the case of inspections, how can I quickly locate the delivery receipts? How do I know in due time if the PPE stocks are sufficient? Paolo has found the answers to these questions. He utilizes the Kalmo PPE Planner. With the PPE Planner, the safety of colleagues, managers, and the entire company is safeguarded. It is the software for employee workplace safety with which Paolo always has under control the assignment of the devices prescribed by regulations for each employee, according to their role. Can access the correct pairing between employees and the relevant PPEs thanks to the interfacing with management that allows access to the list of resources present in the company. Is able to simplify the assignment by creating homogeneous groups of roles for consignment of the devices themselves, which require the same PPE. Can verify the correct allocation between role and devices using the appropriate matrix to speed up the execution of each individual request with the extraction of pre-configured devices. Let's see together how it works. Paolo can configure the equipment kit to facilitate and speed up individual requests. The allocation and delivery of devices to employees is through a completely traceable authorization system. The requests can come from the worker or the head of security for the individual devices and kits. Each request is authorized by the head of the organizational unit. Then it passes to the second authorization stage, which needs to be issued by the safety or personnel officer. At this point, the employee may go to the collection point to obtain the necessary items. In case of unavailability of the PPE, they may collect only a part thereof. They will then be notified when the remaining items are available. Upon collection, the workers must sign for receipt, with the signature being stored digitally in the system. Thus, Paolo has access to the archive so as to quickly retrieve at any time the documentation in case of inspections. Thanks to Kalmo, Paolo needs only check the inventory of devices in the warehouse, the relevant requests and deliveries, managing to timely arrange for any replacements and reassortments, so as to ensure at all times the protection of workers and the company's safety. Thanks to the reports, he can monitor the delivery status of the PPE and is sure he is acting in full compliance with legislation and has minimized the risks of workplace accidents. Kalmo PPE Planner is the solution that allows Paolo and you to improve and speed up the assignment of PPEs within the workplace, to certify the collection of devices required by employees, to create a digital archive, and to control the stock. Now Paolo has full control of consumption, has the certainty of working in conformity with regulations, and saves valuable time thanks to automations. Kalmo PPE Planner. Safety at work is under control. What can you do to increase security in your company? Let's discuss this together.